How to remove header, footer and page number in MS Office Word. At first you have to take a document in which it has header, footer and page number. In this document it has header, footer and page number. I want to remove this header, so I'm going to insert tab and clicking on header and remove header. It was not removed because it has bug for this application. I'm going to insert and going to header and clicking on remove header. It was remove page number. Again remove header. It was removed. I want to remove footer. I'm going to insert tab and clicking on footer, remove footer. In this application has bug. I'm going to page number and adding it again. I want to show you how to remove page number. Going to insert tab and remove page number. You can see for every page header, footer and page number has removed. Thanks for watching. See you guys in the next video.